Good morning, dear students. Today, Wednesday, I am your English teacher in Vittal Matriculation School. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good and safe at home. Today, we are going to see the continuation of last class. Last class, what we see? We see the feelings, right? What are the feelings we see? First one, happy. 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 Angry. 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 Sleepy. 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 Hungry. 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 Tired. 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 Lazy. 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 Next one. Thirsty. 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 Shocked. 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 Next one. Scared. 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 Sad. 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 Surprised. 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 Okay, like this we see in the last class. Today we are going to see how do I feel. How do I feel? When I am happy, I laugh, ha ha ha. When we laugh, when I am happy, I laugh, ha ha ha. When I am sad, I cry, boo hoo hoo. When I am sad, I cry, boo hoo hoo. When I am angry, I yell, ah ah ah. When I am angry, I yell, ah ah ah. Any way I feel, I can show it to you. Any way I feel, I can show it to you. Do you ever feel the same way too? Do you ever feel the same way too? When I am hungry, I eat chew chew chew. When I am hungry, I eat chew chew chew. When I am thirsty, I drink gulp gulp gulp. When I am thirsty, I drink gulp gulp gulp. When I am tired, I sleep z. When I am tired, I sleep is. Anyway I feel, I can show it to you. Do you ever feel the same way too? Let's see this. How you are all expressed your feelings here. Okay, when you are happy, what we do? We laugh. How we laugh? Ha ha ha. When we are sad, what we do? We cry. How we cry? Boo hoo hoo. When I am angry, I yell. What we do? I yell. Ah ah ah. Anyway I feel, I can show it to you. Whatever we feel, whatever we have the feelings, we have to show them. Okay, we have to express them. Do you ever feel the same way too? நீங்களும் அப்படி தானே இருக்கீங்க? When I am hungry, எனக்கு ரொம்ப பசிச்சிச்சுன்னா நான் சாப்பிடுவேன். I eat. Chew chew chew. When I am thirsty, எனக்கு தாகமாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா நான் குடிப்பேன். I drink. Gulp gulp gulp. When I am tired, I sleep. What we do? When we are feel tired, we sleep. How we sleep? Is. Anyway I feel, I can show it to you. Whatever I feel, I have to express them to others. Do you ever feel the same way? நீங்களும் அப்படி தானே நினச்சிருக்கீங்க? This is this poem. Read along with me, dears. How do I feel? When I am happy, I laugh. Ha ha ha. When I am sad, I cry. Boo hoo hoo. When I am angry, I yell. Ah ah ah. Anyway I feel, I can show it to you. Do you ever feel the same way too? When I am hungry, I eat. Chew chew chew. When I am thirsty, I drink. Gulp gulp gulp. When I am tired, I sleep. Is. Anyway I feel, I can show it to you. Do you ever feel the same way too? This is a poem like one. Okay dears, next we are going to learn not that one. Topic is not that one. Okay, not that one. It was a holiday. It was a holiday. Gopi wanted to do something. Who wanted to do something? Gopi. Gopi is a main character. He wants to do something because it was a holiday. Gopi wanted to do something. So he asked his mom, Mom, what is in that green box? Which color box? Green color box. Mom, what is in that green box? He asked his mom, what is inside the green box? Said Gopi. Mom was reading. What she is doing? She is reading the newspaper. She is reading the newspaper. Gopi put a stool over the chair. What he is doing? Gopi put a stool over the chair. He climbed up to get the box down. Which box? Green box. Okay. He wants to get that green box down, so he put a stool over a chair. His mom replied, "No, no, not that one. All those boxes will fall on our heads, Gopi." என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க அவங்க அம்மா? அந்த பாக்ஸ் கிடையாது, அதை எடுத்தனா மற்ற எல்லா பாக்ஸும் நம்ம தலையில் விழுந்துரும் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க அவங்க பையன்கிட்ட. ஓகே, வாட் ஹிஸ் மாம் ரிப்ளைட், "No, no, not that one. All those boxes will fall on our heads, Gopi," said mom. Gopi was angry with his mother. He was very angry because his mom didn't let him to take that box. "Come, let's go to the market," his mom said. "Come, let us go to the nearby market. I will get you something." பக்கத்தில் இருக்க மார்க்கெட்டுக்கு போய் நான் உனக்கு ஏதாச்சும் வாங்கி தரேன், என் கூட வா அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. "Come, let's go to the market. I will get you something." What Gopi replied? "Yes, I will." Yes, we will. Okay, சரி போகலாம் அப்படின்னு கோபி ரிப்ளை பண்ணுறாங்க. "Yes, we will," said Gopi. Okay. Next, they went to the market. Gopi was still angry. Gopi was still angry, but they went to the market. "I want that one," he said, pointing to an apple. He pointing the apple and asked, "I want that one." His mom received that answer. Okay, "I want that one," said by Gopi. "No, no, not that one. The fruits will fall down," said the shopkeeper. ஏன்னா கீழே இருக்கிறத எடுத்துட்டோம் அப்படின்னா மேலேருந்து எல்லா ஃப்ரூட்ஸும் கீழே விழுந்துரும் அப்படின்னு ஷாப்கீப்பர் சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓகே, "I want that one" கீழே இருக்கிறத பாயிண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணுறதுனால ஷாப்கீப்பர் ரிப்ளைட், "No, no, not that one. The fruits will fall down." Next one, "I want that book," said Gopi. "I want that book." இதுவும் கீழே இருக்க புக்கை அவன் கேட்குறான், இதை எடுத்தால் மற்ற எல்லாமே விழுந்துரும் இல்லையா? "I want that book," said Gopi. கோபி சொல்கிறான். "No, no, not that one," said the shopkeeper. "The books will fall down." கீழே இருக்கிறத எடுத்துட்டோன்னா மற்ற எல்லா புக்ஸுமே கீழே விழுந்துரும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஷாப்கீப்பர் சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், "I want that one," shouted Gopi. He was shouting and asking, "I want that one," almost pulling out a samosa from the high stack of samosas. Here are samosas. The shopkeeper arranged it properly. "I want that one" கீழே இருக்கிறத பாயிண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணுறான். The shopkeeper replied, "No, no, not that one," warned the shopkeeper. "All my samosas will fall down." கீழே இருக்கிறத எடுத்துட்டோன்னா மேலேருந்து எல்லாம் சரிஞ்சு விழுந்துடும் இல்லையா? So the shopkeeper replied that way. Next one, now he is in very bad mood because no one let him to do his thing. Okay, he was now in a very bad mood. Who? Gopi was in a very bad mood. Next, "I want that one," said Gopi loudly. What he say? He say, "I want that one," said very loudly. ரொம்ப சத்தமாக சொல்கிறான், ஏன்னா அவன் கோவத்தில் இருக்கான்ட்டு சத்தமாக சொல்கிறான். "No, no, not that one. The flowers will fall down," said the flower seller. Flower seller என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க? இல்லை அந்த பூவை எடுக்காத, எல்லாமே கீழே விழுந்துரும், அதை எடுக்காத அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. By now, Gopi was crying loudly. He was crying very loudly. Everyone was looking at Gopi because no one let him to take the things he want. So Gopi was crying loudly. Everyone was looking at Gopi. I want that one, the black one, said mom loudly. அவங்க அம்மா என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க? I want that one, the black one. கருப்பாக இருக்குல்ல, அது எடுங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. Gopi stopped crying suddenly. What was the black one? He saw a basket of puppies. What his mom say? I want that one, the black one. Gopi started crying loudly. But here when his mom said like this, he stopped his crying and see her mother. What was the black one? He saw a basket of puppies. Puppies means நாய்க்குட்டிங்களை தான் பப்பீஸ்னு சொல்லுவோம். சரியா? Mom, no, not that one. Gopi said, what he say? Mom, no, not that one. Let's take this brown one, said Gopi. And the black one வேணா, we take this brown one. The brown color dog நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறான். Then Gopi gently took the brown puppy. It was on top of the pile. Okay, then he gently took the brown puppy with him. Mom smiled. Gopi was smiling too. He was now happy because he get a puppy. He get a brown puppy which he needed. So the mom smiled, Gopi also smiling, both were happy. Okay dears, this is the lesson of not that one. எல்லாரும் not that one சொன்னாங்க இல்லையா? First he want to take a green box. First her mom replied, no, not that one. Then they both went to the market to buy something. First they went to the apple shop. He wanted to get one apple. The shopkeeper say, no, not that one. Then bookstall, he say, I want that book. The shopkeeper replied, no, not that one. Then he went to the samosa shop. He pointed out one samosa. I want that one, Gopi say. But the shopkeeper replied, no, not that one. All my samosas will fall down. Then Gopi was in a very bad mood. He wants to take a flowers, so he called it very loudly, I want that one. But the flower selling woman said, no, not that one. By now Gopi was crying very loudly. Then his mom pointed out a puppy and I want that one, the black one. His mom said, Gopi said, Mom, no, not that one. அது வேணா, நம்ம let's take this brown color puppy. So they both take a brown color puppy. Mom smiled, Gopi was smiling, both were happy. Okay, book back exercises. First one, circle the correct word. This is a boy. What he is doing? He is smiling. This boy is smiling. So what is his feeling? Angry or happy? This boy is happy. Circle the correct word. So circle the word happy. Next one, this boy is very angry. Circle the word angry. Okay. Next one, what is this? It is a box. It is a box. So circle box, B-O-X, box. Next one, what is this? It is samosas. What is this? It is samosas. Circle the word samosas. First one, this boy is happy. It is a box. He is angry. This is a samosas. Next one, choose and write the correct word. First one, Gopi pulled the dash box. Which color? Green color or red color? Green color box. Which color? Green color. G-R-E-E-N. Green color box. Next one, Gopi and mom go to the market. Okay. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. Third one, Gopi wants an apple. Spelling A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Mom wants a dash color puppy. His mom wants black color puppy. Black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Okay. Today your homework is you have to write this second one. Okay. Choose and write the correct word. This 4-1 is your homework. Write it in your homework note. Take a picture of it and send it in our group. Okay, dears. Thank you. Have a nice day.